Luke, we're up. I'm gonna run around the side of you here.
Yep.
Now, Mike's very kindly took us through milling and turning.
Yep.
It's your turn now. What are you showcasing on this booth?
So we are showcasing, basically, it's all about how we can reduce the amount of carbide that we're consuming. So we want to go from solid carbide to switching over to the SUMOCHAM range, so going to indexable, exchangeable head systems. So whether that is SUMOCHAM with the 2 flutes or our new quick 3-cam range, it's reducing the amount of carbide that you're using. For example, if I was to run a 3xD 10mm solid carbide drill compared to a 10mm SUMOCHAM head, there's about a 30-something% cost reduction just by swapping over. If you go to 5xD, that goes up to 47%,
Wow.
and obviously the bigger you get, those costs get exponentially bigger.
The thing is, with a drill, everything's happening at the point.
Exactly.
So if you've got a drill at 5xD, all that wasted carbide for you to use the first mill of it.
Exactly.
So what are you seeing from your customers when they adopt this type of technology?
I think once they start seeing the benefit and how user-friendly this system is compared to how easy it is to swap out for solid carbide. So we can there's no spares, it's a key on, key off, and you're running again in an instant. You don't have to take it out of chucks and collets and reset and readjust. We can just take it out, new one in, press go again. So your downtime is absolutely slashed to a minimum.
So as well as your cycle time savings, you've actually got savings off the machine because, like you said, there's no setup. You don't have to bring the probe back out. It's just on, off, away you go.
Exactly that.
So just before we finish this, can you talk me through your U-drill selection? Because, do you know what, they were one of the scariest tools I ever used. I'm putting it out there.
So, being a single flute option, it's a lot kinder on the machine than a 2-flute version. Yeah, so the benefits of the TRIDEEP is we have that chip splitter geometry on the front, so it's really kind cutting. We've got guide pads to keep it nice and stable, so we can really hit it some good data and clear the swarf out. Really stable, really strong, and it just means compared to a solid carbide version, which is the traditional, gun drill style of a brazed solid version, it's indexable. You can throw the insert away, put a new one in and go again. So it really reduces your inventory. No need to have loads of stock of reground. One's waiting to go out to reground, new ones. You just need one of them and a few inserts.
Just as simple as that and as easy as that. Well, Luke, from me and everyone at MTDCNC, thank you so much for your time today. It's been great to hear from you and Mike about the whole range.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.